How are you today, everyone? My name is Ezekiel. I would like to take you through branches of civil engineering and at least scopes also. Civil engineering may be divided into the following fields. We have surveying and leveling, we have building planning and construction, we have advanced construction, we have structural engineering, we have geotechnical engineering, we have water resources engineering, we have transportation engineering, we have environmental engineering, then we have town planning. In surveying and leveling, survey includes measurements of distances and angles in horizontal and vertical planes. In vertical planes we use chain, compass, level, and derelict. These are the instruments used. These are the instruments used for surveying, not only for vertical plane, but theodolite is used for also horizontal, to measure distances on a horizontal plane. We have surveying fixes the relative position of different points on the basis of surfaces of Earth. It also includes measurement of areas and volumes. The basic aim of surveying is to prepare a map of the area to some scale. Surveying is carried out to fix the alignment of road, railway, or a canal. It is also useful in selecting the site for the construction of the structures. Modern surveying instruments like electronic total station and the geographical positioning system, that's the GPS, the modern electronic digital instruments used for survey work. Remote sensing and geographical information system, the GIS, are adopted for surveying and planning of many civil projects. Then we go to the second branch, that is building planning and construction. Civil engineers are concerned with many types of structures, of which buildings are of prime importance. We have buildings are planned according to the fundamental principles for planning and bylaws of local municipal bodies. Building planning requires basic knowledge of principles of architecture. So buildings may be residential or public, like school. We could have colleges, government office, hospitals, etc. They are designed according to need or specific occupants and purposes. Then we have the third branch as advanced construction. In advanced construction, the construction of dams, bridges, we have tunnels and ports, which require several advanced construction techniques for construction. Underwater construction requires specific type of equipment. Pile foundation or well foundations are generally provided for foundation of bridges across rivers in alluvial soil. Large-scale earthworks requires equipment like power shovel, drag line, bulldozers, etc. Then that brings us to the fourth branch, which is structural engineering. This branch of civil engineering deals with the structural analysis and design of structures. Structural analysis is done to calculate stresses in structural components on the basis of loads acting on structures. Sections of structural elements like beams, columns, slabs, etc. are designed. A structural analysis requires much calculations, hence advanced computing softwares are used to carry out structural analysis and design. Then we have geotechnical engineering as the fifth branch. Geotechnical engineering is that field of civil engineering which deals with soil investigation and design of proper foundations of structures. Soil investigation includes collection and testing of soil samples. Geotechnical engineering includes measurement of soil parameters and safe-bearing capacity. It also includes construction and design of simple foundations, pile foundations, well foundation, caissons, cofferdams, construction of foundations of dams, construction of tunnels, surveys of road, earthen dams, and earth-related constructions. That is under geotechnical engineering, which is the fifth branch. We have the sixth branch now as water resources engineering. Water resource engineering means measurement, utilization, and development of water resources for agriculture, municipal, and power generation purpose. It mainly includes irrigation engineering, design of hydraulic structures that includes dam, canals, the ETCs. So water resource engineering deals with planning, designing, and developing water resources by constructing hydraulic structures like dams, barrages, hydropower station, canal, and pipe networks, and the ETCs. Then we have the seventh branch as transportation engineering. Transportation means movement of passengers and goods by means of vehicles on land, ship on water, and aircraft in air. Transportation is that branch of civil engineering. Transportation engineering is that branch of civil engineering which deals with planning, designing, and construction of roads, bridges, railways, tunnels, harbors, ports, docks, runways, and airports. Then we have the eighth branch of civil engineering, that is environmental engineering. This includes design, construction, and maintenance of water treatment plant, wastewater treatment plant, water distribution network, and sewerage system. It also deals with solid waste management in towns and cities. Then those are the branches of civil engineering.